Most families have hundreds sitting in their budget unnoticed. In this video, I'll show you exactly where that money goes and what to do about it. Stay with me. It's never one big expense. It's dozens of small, invisible ones. Forgotten subscriptions, grocery waste, bills nobody calls to lower. The average family loses over $200 a month this way. The fix isn't complicated. You just need to see it clearly. Here are the 5 changes. Number 1, subscriptions audit. Number 2, grocery overbuying. Number 3, food delivery frequency. Number 4, impulse online shopping. Number 5, one afternoon is all it takes. Done in one afternoon, these put real money back in your pocket this month. If you want the full system, I put together a guide called the Family Budget Reset. Everything you need to get started. Get it at cccdaily.gumroad.com/l/family-budget-reset. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Practical tips every week. Link in the description to get started. See you in the next video.